Hello there. I'm Dhananjay Patil, father of three girls, husband to a lovely lady, and civil engineer by profession. In 28 years of my experience in industry and teaching, I've served MNCs and renowned institutes. Currently working as a professor in civil engineering department of RIT. I'm on a mission to enhance skill set of 1 million engineers. Friends, I came up with an resource management course for you, and I hope this will be a good course which will learn and acquire the skills required for your placements as well as for your enhancement in the construction or any industry in that way. Okay, as this is an open course. Okay. So let's look into this course introduction, uh, and I'll take you through the flow of this course and tell you what is going to be given under this particular course. So let me start the course introduction to you. So the introduction to the course, in my 28 years of experience, that is 10 years of the industrial and 18 years of higher education teaching as well as interaction with the industry, it has been observed that industry has some basic requirements from an graduates, and those basic requirements basically fall into minimum that they should be able to manage the resources properly. Right? Now, managing the resources available on the site, on the shop or on the floor is a basic requirement that an industry has, and but due to lack of knowledge or application of the tools and techniques of materials management or resource management, students lack and students fail. So industry basically categorizes materials or resources into 5 M's. Material as first resource, methods second resource, machines third resource, money and manpower. Money and manpower are handled by different departments, but the first three, that is materials, machines and methods, is a tool or is a task of an engineer, junior engineer or a floor engineer to enhance them. And that's where there's a lack which is observed, right, in the industry. So in order to bridge this gap, I have came up with a skill enhancement program for engineers in case of resource management. And I'll be going with 3 courses with this. The first is an open course, materials management, and the second 2 courses will be branch specific, which will be, as a civil engineer, I'll be delivering it with respect to civil engineers. This 23 videos or 5 hours of videos, right, will take you from introductory part of material management to the application of MRP. I'll go into the details, and this content will help you a lot in acquiring the required skills. So let me take you through the course, what we have in this particular course. The content of this course is divided into 6 modules. Each module has some sections under it, and each session is a micro video, maximum. Try to keep the maximum at 15 minutes and below, but 2 or 3 courses have gone up to 18 minutes. So the first module is introduction, wherein we will be going with definition, need of materials management, then aims and objectives of and organizations for material management. The second course or second module is codification, wherein we will be looking into meaning, methods and application of codification in industry, importance of codification and so on. Third, we have purchasing and vendor analysis. So purchase cycle, purchase procedures and vendor analysis. These are the 3 contents which we will be looking into in the different sessions of module 3. Module 4 is a short module which takes you through stores management, the need of stores management, how the layout of the store should be, how you should handle the materials or what are the different ways to handle the material, and most important part is account keeping. So that is also taken into consideration in it or module 4. Then module 5, one of the important module is related to inventory management. So right from need of the inventory, aim and scope of the inventory, inventory types and costs associated with inventory, inventory control, and two basic or most used methods, that is ABC analysis and EOQ analysis, are covered in your module 5. Module 6 is basically a software based analysis of material requirement planning. I'm not dealing with the software here, but I'm taking you through introduction to the material requirement planning, objectives and functions, what is the logic behind MRP, and we'll be solving some problems with MRP applications and analysis. So this is all what we have in our course of materials management. Then let's understand first why material management is required. Why material management is required? Material management is one of the easiest way to earn profit. This is for all the entrepreneurs, engineers, and people who are into either a profession or even in the job industry, right? Because the research shows that 1 rupee saved in materials is equal to 6 to 10 rupees earned. Directly it is related to the sales value. And the second most important component is material cost is around 50 to 70% of the sales value. So if you are putting up this much cost into a product, it is very important to look into that particular economics of the product and other areas through materials management. Let's now look into the resource management as a whole, right? We won't be able to do anything without resources. That's for true. That's nothing can be done without resources, and engineers require this particular basic skill. No doubt about that. And this will enhance the opportunities for the job. You can have a better control of the resources as well as your management in the operations. That's why we should go with the resource management. So this was what I have for your first course into resource management, that is material management, and I'll request you to register yourself following the link given in the description below this particular video through your email, and once I get the link, I'll send you the procedures to join the course, and then you will be taken to my LMS, so wherein you will be getting these 23 videos or 5 hours of content to learn.